Montreal, the French-Canadian city known for its vibrant art scene. Whether you're into museums, performing arts, music, or film, it always has something to offer. It's a must-see if you're ever visiting Canada. It is 6 a.m. right now. I've been to Montreal a few times, but there's one thing I haven't done. Driving to Montreal. The drive from Toronto to Montreal is about 5 to 6 hours, depending on traffic. Well, obviously, I'm not making that drive. Our chauffeur for the trip, Jesse. There's actually a funny story between Jesse and I about Montreal. So when we first met, obviously Jesse didn't know anything about me, and he said to me, what did you say to me?
Well, for context, I didn't realize how well traveled Gloria was, so I thought, maybe she hadn't been to Montreal, and I suggested, well, if you haven't been to Montreal in the summer, you really should check it out, thinking I was giving her some inside information about travel.
And I was thinking, who hasn't been to Montreal? It's not like I just got here. So I told my friends, and my friends gave him a nickname, Montreal Boy. And 2 years later, we're going to Montreal together.
It's a little circle moment.
Mm-hmm.
I'll just see your driver's license, ownership, and insurance. All right, okay, I'll be back to the ticket in a minute.
We got a ticket. I haven't been pulled over before. This is the first time.
All right, so driver's license, ownership, and insurance back.
Yeah.
Total payable today for the speed is $265. 3 options on the right-hand side.
A $265 ticket. Oh my god, we're finally here. Long drive.
Yeah.
Ooh, looks good. How's the salad?
It's good.
We're back in the car. Initially, Jesse suggested that we hike up Montreal, but I suggested that we should drive up there. Guess who won?
So it turns out we do have to do some hiking. Just a little bit though.
I can take 10 minutes. Outfit change. Looking pretty good. Every time I go to a French restaurant, I order the duck confit to see if the skin is crispy enough. It looks crispy because I couldn't cut it off.
That's good.
Okay. Let's just try the skin.
Yeah?
Crispy. Good morning. Today is the day. It is why we're here in Montreal.
The big day.
If any of you remember, about a month or two ago, I posted a trailer. Mermaid in the Garden of Escapism is an experimental short film supporting gender equality. My friend Lynn directed this film, and I was lucky to be a part of it. And it's premiering at the Canadian Independent Film Festival today.
Hey! Which vlog are you watching? You're gonna watch?
We're gonna watch Mermaid in the Garden of Escapism.
Yeah,
I'm
that's
in
cool.
it. So.
Oh my, yeah, I love this movie. I love
Oh yeah?
it. Yeah. Not supposed to share it a lot because I want to be organized, but this movie is really good.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
Oh, thank you. Well, unfortunately, our director couldn't be here today, but meet the mermaid herself. That was cringe. So, what do you think?
I really liked seeing you on the big screen. Lynn did a great job too.
Wow, thank you. I think it's a little strange to see myself from the big screen with other people around me. But yeah, I'm super proud of how the film turned out, and shout out to Lynn for making this happen. We're in Old Montreal. Meet the icon, Notre Dame, but it's under construction. Move your head. Old Montreal is voted by Jesse and I as our favorite part of the city. It's also known as the Little Europe of Canada. Every time I come to Montreal, it's a must visit. Strolling down the famous St. Paul Street is literally like being transported back in time. I know it's an extremely touristy area, but hey, we are tourists. Yesterday we tried French cuisine, today we're trying Italian. Cheers. Can't believe this is our last day already. I don't want to leave.
I know.
Well, I shouldn't have laughed at you for suggesting that I should visit Montreal. We spent our last moments at Crew Collective and Cafe. This coffee shop is converted from an old bank, and it also serves as a co-working space. You know what? Montreal is pretty cool. Hi, I just got back, and I have some packages. After almost 5 years of making videos, I finally got myself a pro lens. This is the Sigma 2870mm f2.8 lens. I've also got an ND filter, a gimbal, and a portable softbox for my light. Basically, I'm upgrading my gear because I've decided to take some time and learn about filmmaking. Up until this point, I've learned everything about making videos on my own. I feel like it's about time to invest in myself and my work. So for the next 4 months, I will be taking an intensive filmmaking course. And yes, that means I might need to slow down my channel for a bit, but it's all for the better. Well, I guess I'll see you when I see you.